Hey, what's up? This is your boy SergFlicks. We're out here cruising, but I know you didn't tune in to look at my stupid face, so let's send you up and see what we can catch out there.
All my troubles, so I choose. I got a wife and a baby, yeah, yeah.